Yes, children. So let's come up to the same poem, Laughing Song by William Blake. And it says, when the painted birds laugh in the shade. Now over here, painted birds refers to the colorful birds created by God, the colorful creatures. Now over here, the poet says, the shade of the green trees attract these colorful birds. They came fluttering around. The poet also describes that these birds are painted and colored by God, since we also have different skin tones. So over here the birds are also having different colors, different features, and they all came enjoying nature. They are chirping, they are twittering, they are enjoying, they are fluttering, moving here and there. And the poet also says that the twitter of these tiny creatures, the noise, the song which these tiny creatures are singing, that gives the feeling that they too are also enjoying with the rest of the nature, like the hills, like the stream, like the grasshopper, like the meadow, like those three ladies. The birds are also enjoying in the lap of nature. They are also twittering, they are also chirping, they are also enjoying, they are also laughing with the nature. Next line. Where a table with cherries and nut is spread. Now over here, a table has been set beneath the tree. Since it's an open area, a table has been set. In the book, if you are having the book right now, you can see on page number 44 that there is a table spread. The girls are there, and on the table there are chestnut and cherries. So over here the table is set beneath the tree, and the colorful birds are perched on the branches. They are also sitting on the branches, while cherries and nuts are laid on the trees. Why? So that they can enjoy. The girls can enjoy. They have come from the neighborhood to enjoy nature, to sing along with nature, right? So over here also the table they have spread, and whatever they brought from home, they have decorated the table. They have kept everything, the cherries and the chestnut on the table. They have spread it beautifully, and the bird is sitting on the tree, and the bird is also chirping. So they all are enjoying in the lap of nature. Next line, it says, come, live and be merry and join with me. Now the poet or the girls, they encourages friends and fellows or human beings to join him for the fest. Right in the beginning I told that this poem is an invitation to us to join with the beauty of nature, right? So over here the poet also says that they are encouraging us. They are saying that come, let's be a part of this beautiful nature. Let's capture this moment. He invites everybody to his table. The girls invites everybody to his table and says that the beauty of the nature is calling us for a celebration. The beauty of the nature is telling us to rejoice, to enjoy, to celebrate these small things, this moment, this particular moment when we three are together. The nature is there, hill is enjoying, air is passing by, cool breeze is flowing, stream is flowing, and everything is coming to life. Let's enjoy this particular moment. Next line. Last line, it says, to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha he he. Now over here it says that everybody wants to assemble around the table and everyone wants to sing the same chorus. Now children, chorus, it is a part of a song that is repeated several times. If you are a musical person and you listen to music, you are aware that there are certain lines or certain lyrics that are repeated again and again. So those lyrics are called chorus, which are repeated again and again. And over here, what is repeating again and again? Ha ha he. So this is the chorus of the poem which the girls are singing. So over here the poet says that everybody wants to assemble near the table which is laid with cherries and chestnuts, and everybody wants to sing this chorus. The poet feels that the human being should also join in this celebration. The poet also says that we are also invited. We should also enjoy with this nature. Everything which is immense, which is huge, which is attractive, we should also enjoy in the lap of nature. And at the end, children, the poet says, William Blake says that that nobody is perfect, but we have to make things perfect for us. He appeals to everybody to join him as he sets the table. He points out that every little or big thing in the lap of nature is important, is making merry, is enjoying. Every little thing in nature teaches us something. We should enjoy, we should embrace it. Now it's the turn of human beings to join with nature, with its fun. We should enjoy. Thank you, children. Hope you all have understood. This poem is particularly only about nature, what nature gives us, how we can enjoy the little things around us, and we can seek pleasure